Welcome to implement enterprise architecture step by step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how enterprise architecture aligns business strategy with technology to drive organizational transformation. This is practical, actionable knowledge from the full Udemy course. Let us get started. We begin with the foundational concepts and frameworks that make enterprise architecture a strategic discipline. Enterprise architecture is built on several core concepts that shape how we design and govern organizational structures. Business architecture ensures our technology investments directly support strategic business objectives and value streams. Application architecture maps out how our software systems interact and support business capabilities. Technology architecture provides the foundation of hardware, networks, and platforms on which everything else runs. Data architecture ensures our information assets are managed, shared, and protected consistently across the enterprise. Now let us examine the leading frameworks that guide enterprise architecture practice and how governance keeps it effective. Two of the most influential EA frameworks take fundamentally different approaches to structuring enterprise architecture. TOGAF provides a structured, repeatable process for developing architecture through its architecture development method. The Zachman framework offers a comprehensive classification system that organizes architecture artifacts by stakeholder perspective. The ADM is the core of TOGAF, providing a step-by-step process for developing and managing enterprise architecture. We begin by establishing the principles, tools, and governance structures that will guide our architecture work. The vision phase aligns stakeholders around a shared view of the target architecture and its business value. We model current and target business processes, capabilities, and organizational structures. This phase defines the application and data architectures needed to support the target business architecture. We specify the technology infrastructure that will host and support our information systems. Finally, we create implementation roadmaps and governance structures to guide the transformation journey. Effective governance is what separates successful enterprise architecture programs from shelfware that never gets implemented. An architecture review board ensures that all major technology decisions are evaluated against our enterprise standards. Regular compliance checks prevent architectural drift and keep our technology landscape manageable. Roadmap reviews confirm that individual projects contribute to our broader architectural transformation goals. Regular communication with stakeholders maintains the executive support that enterprise architecture programs need to succeed. A well-crafted roadmap turns architectural vision into a sequenced plan that delivers incremental business value. Understanding where we are and where we want to be is the essential starting point for any transformation roadmap. We prioritize closing the gaps that deliver the greatest business value and strategic alignment first. Careful sequencing ensures that foundational capabilities are in place before dependent initiatives begin. Milestones and checkpoints keep the transformation on track and allow us to course-correct when needed. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of enterprise architecture. Enterprise architecture bridges the gap between business vision and technology implementation. Established frameworks give us repeatable, industry-proven approaches to complex architecture challenges. Without strong governance, even the best architecture will degrade over time into unmanaged complexity. A clear roadmap ensures we deliver tangible business value at every stage of our architecture journey. If this preview gave you valuable insights, the full Udemy course goes much deeper with practical exercises, framework templates, and real-world case studies to accelerate your enterprise architecture practice. Enroll today and start building architectures that drive real business value. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, keep aligning technology with business strategy.